Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. If you're contemplating a prenup or binding financial agreement before the wedding day, then the best advice you will ever receive is give yourself plenty of time before the wedding to get it done and don't rush. You and your future spouse need time to consider the implications of entering such an important agreement. Otherwise, you may find it fails to protect you right at the time you need it most. Couples entering into a prenup are often in the situation where either one or both parties have something they want to protect or quarantine from future claim. This something may be a family home, a property portfolio, superannuation, an inheritance, or other valuable asset. When it comes to assets built together after the wedding date, the couple usually decides to divide those equally. It's usually the party with more assets to lose that is the driving force behind getting these agreements signed and in place, and they generally have an advantage because they are in a stronger position of financial bargaining power. As you can imagine, the party with less on the line is often at a disadvantage. They may also have less motivation to be bound by a contract that essentially limits their access to the family court, and likely a bigger slice of the financial pie. Under these circumstances, the less advantaged partner may be put in a real quandary. Even though it may not be spoken, they may feel real pressure to sign the agreement or the wedding is off. Now, if the wedding is sometime in the future, this may not be a big problem. But what if your wedding plans are well advanced? Leaving your prenup to the last minute is a bad idea because it can raise questions about the validity of the agreement and whether it was made under duress or pressure from the other partner. Allowing time to think about whether you should accept or reject the terms of your prenup agreement and consider alternative terms is indicative of a genuine negotiation. A true meeting of the minds is less likely to be interpreted as coercion, duress, or abuse of bargaining power, and more likely to provide a sound, robust agreement. For more information about prenups, when you should make them, and how to ensure yours stands the test of time, visit financialagreements.com.au by clicking the links below.